As coronavirus cases surge globally, Americans, including Utahns, continue to face economic uncertainty. Extra federal benefits for families comes to an end this week, leaving people who remain unemployed due to COVID-19 desperately looking to the Capitol for federal relief. ABC4's Brittany Johnson spoke with Utahns who are still feeling the effects.
This hit us smack in the face, like we weren't prepared for this.
Utahns, along with millions of other Americans, have their eyes on Washington, D.C. That's because federal economic relief for workers impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic is set to expire in a matter of days. On Capitol Hill this week, Republicans unveiled their $1 trillion coronavirus relief proposal. It includes a cut on enhanced benefits from $600 to $200, a change Maddie and her husband Colby says will hit their family hard.
Getting the unemployment and especially the $600 boost has been really helpful to our family.
The Petersons were laid off in April. They've been trying to make ends meet, picking up trade work until they can find something sufficient to cover all the bills. Maddie was offered a job but couldn't take it. When school starts, their children will be learning from home half the week, and the parents, already struggling to stay afloat, can't afford childcare.
I'm thinking, come past a few months, are we going to have enough to put food on the table? So my concern is my children. That's what I think about.
Haley Hines is also feeling the impact. She was 8 months pregnant with her first child when her job was forced to close due to the pandemic.
It was a struggle because all I could think is, how am I going to provide for a child that is going to be here any minute? So it was hard.
The new mom says she's been able to make it this far with help from Circle Salt Lake, an organization helping families reach self-sufficiency through allied partnerships, education, and training.
We were able to figure out how much we were going to need to start getting things to prepare for a baby, but able to also to be able to live off of and to kind of make it through all this mess.
Dave Parker, a husband and father of 3, was furloughed. He says without the extra $600 unemployment benefit, he probably would have dug a hole in his savings to survive.
I think I was getting like $485 a week, and that doesn't go as far as it used to. So, like that extra $600 was, really a huge blessing for us during that time.
Hines and Parker are part of the many Utahns now back at work. According to the Department of Workforce Services, Utah now has the second lowest unemployment in the nation at 5.1%. Early in the pandemic, it was a little over 10%. Reporting in Salt Lake City, I'm Brittany Johnson, ABC4 News.
Thank you, Brittany. Well, the Department of Workforce says some industries are slow to recover. If that's the case for your employer, Bert suggests looking within different industries who have been able to adjust and thrive during the pandemic. There's also a virtual job fair we want to make sure you know about. This is taking place tomorrow. More than 80 employers are signed up to participate. That will be on jobs.utah.gov. You can find a link at abc4.com.